あ、どこか行きたいよね。
のんびりしたいよね。
ねえねえ、ここいいんじゃない？
わあ、いいところね。ここどこ？
南関。
行こう。
Nankan Town, with its wealth of greenery, is located on the border between Kumamoto and Fukuoka prefectures. The people there live in harmony with the beauty of nature. The town is steeped in history and tradition, as well as culture. The wealth of nature has cultivated many local delicacies and offers enjoyment of wonderful experiences throughout the year. Plum trees blossom every spring in Koshodai no Sato Park. A Shodai ware kiln from the Edo period has been preserved in the park. Shodai ware is earthenware that has been made since 400 years ago in northern Kumamoto Prefecture, including Nankan Town.
これが登り窯って言うんだ。
ね、初めて見たね。
ねえ、すごい。
すごいね。
ね
There are 9 potteries in Nankan Town where earthenware has thrived since ancient times, and they all have unique styles of their own. Taiheigama pottery has inherited the Shodai ware tradition. The plain but bold earthenware combines the beautiful colors of the glazes with the warmth of clay.
で河川工事があった時にその妄想だけ置かれてたのを上薬にして。
The traditional crafts of Nankan Town, including Shodai ware, are displayed and sold at Nankan Iki-Iki-mura Kogeikan. On display are around 2,000 products created by local craftsmen. Mount Otsu is a symbol of the town, also known as Nankan Fuji. Otsuyama Aso Jinja Shrine is located at the foot of the mountain. Known for its miraculous powers, it has attracted many worshippers since ancient times. Otsuyama Park is renowned for its cherry blossoms. The entire Mount Otsu area has been designated as a natural park, and visitors can enjoy a variety of flowers that change with the seasons. There is also playground equipment in the park, and the 63-meter-long snake slider is highly popular among children. This is the historical Nankan Tea House site. When feudal lords took turns attending on the shogun, they ate lunch or stayed here on their way to Edo.
こんにちは。
こんにちは、ようこそいらっしゃいました。どうぞお上がりください。
The building stretches from north to south and retains the atmosphere of days gone by.
これは家を解体するときに出たのが一つあるんですよ。
A Nankan Shukubamachi Dengakunin is a volunteer guide. Princess Atsu is said to have visited in the final days of the Tokugawa shogunate.
お茶をどうぞ。
Be entertained with a serving of matcha tea by the Dengakunin. Enjoy a moment of relaxation. Moreover, a variety of events are held here throughout the year.
善悪のことによるべしと人は悪に頼めばおのずか
Nankan Town has deep connections with the poet Hakushu Kitahara. The house where he was born has been carefully preserved, and many tanka have been written on his mother's family home. Hakushu loved the landscape around Nankan Town and often mentioned it in his poems. Enjoy finding monuments engraved with his poetry. Rice farming thrives in Nankan Town. Nankan rice is cultivated taking advantage of the abundance of nature and clear water. Carefully grown Nankan rice has won high appraisal within and outside the prefecture. Nankan Somen noodles are a specialty product of the town, boasting a history of over 300 years. No machines are used to make the noodles. They are made entirely by hand and have such a firm texture that they stay springy even after boiling. There are currently 10 factories in town that continue making the somen noodles in the traditional way. Nankan Age is another delicious specialty product of Nankan Town. It's made by frying thin slices of tofu in low temperature and high temperature oil to make them crisp. It's been made since the old days as a preserved food. Nankan Age tastes good in all kinds of dishes. It's not only used in traditional cuisine, but has given birth to local delicacies served in local restaurants.
美味しそう。美味しそう。
Meals made from locally produced Nankan Somen and Nankan Age are popular at this restaurant. Nankan Agedon is a local delicacy made from sweet, savory stewed Nankan Age served with onion and soft-boiled egg on rice.
今までの揚げと違う感じがする。もちもち。美味しい。
How is the Nankan Somen?
すっごく美味しい。麺がしっかりしてて食べ応えがあるの。
Nankan Town has many delicacies. There are direct sales depots and shops selling not only specialty products, but also fresh, locally produced fruit and vegetables. Kurobo is a confectionery popular as a Nankan Town souvenir. It has the gentle, nostalgic flavor of brown sugar and a soft texture that melts inside the mouth.
美味しい。甘い。ちょうどいい甘さだね。
何口も進んじゃうね。
止まらない？
The town is one of the biggest producers of bamboo shoots in the prefecture. Bamboo shoots, the taste of spring, are delivered throughout the country. Many products are also made using bamboo. Yamachiku, a company that makes bamboo chopsticks, has stuck to the use of domestic bamboo for over 50 years since its founding. It continues to strive in pursuit of design and functionality in its products. The light and flexible bamboo chopsticks, handmade by craftsmen, are durable and easy to use and are also popular overseas. Take-akari hand-carved bamboo lampshades are lit up to create a magical atmosphere. They are made by Chikaken, based in Nankan town. Take-akari have attracted attention as a new form of Japanese culture. Workshops are held for visitors too. Participants can combine different paper patterns to make their own original lampshades. These two finish making their lampshades. The workshop takes around an hour.
すごく綺麗じゃないですか。どうですか。
はい、とても綺麗に出来上がってると思います。
上出来ですか。
上出来です。
これ持って帰っていいんですか。
もちろん大丈夫です。
Potteries around Nankan town also offer workshops.
あと外側手をひっつけといてくださいね。バラバラだと。
Visitors to Noda Pottery can learn directly from professional Shodai-ware potters.
難しい本当に。
The workshop allows even beginners to take part and experience the fun of craftsmanship. What you make will be the only one of its kind in the entire world. Nankan town offers a variety of experiences. This is a guest house run by a person who moved to the town. A 100-year-old house has been used. An outdoor brick oven pizza making workshop is popular here.
はい。でもう一回同じことやりましょうか。
はい。面白い。
Top with lots of vegetables and cheese and bake it in a pizza oven.
こっち。
はい。で置いたらスッと引いてもらったらいいです。
A freshly baked, handmade pizza. Let's try it.
自分で作ったんで絶対美味しいはずです。
Hotel Sekia stands on a mountain covered in lush greenery. It's popular for its luxurious atmosphere and is even visited by overseas tourists.
綺麗。綺麗だね。広いね。素敵。
Guest rooms offer panoramic views of Nankan town.
すごい景色。ねえ。すごい綺麗だね。綺麗。ねえ。癒される。
Escape the hustle and bustle of cities and spend time relaxing in the great wilderness. Hotel Sekia also offers enjoyment of a natural onsen. It's a simple alkaline onsen known as a hot spring of beauty. In addition to the large communal baths, the outdoor baths caressed by gentle breezes are popular. Take a stroll through the wilderness to refresh yourself. This is the Nakakyushu Country Club. It's a golf course with a history of over 50 years, popular for the beauty of its diverse topography. Nankan town is blessed with lush greenery, nature, and history. Come and enjoy the warmth of the locals and spend a moment of relaxation. Nankan town awaits you with open arms.